Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel again. This is Cloud Institution, the best cloud training institution in Bangalore. So today in this video, we're going to see another very important interview question. Okay, that can be asked in most of the commonly, so the common interview questions on AWS. Okay, so today the interview question is going to be, what is S3 transfer acceleration and how it is enabled? Okay, S3 transfer acceleration and how to enable it. Now, so first of all, let's understand what is transfer acceleration. Okay, so the answer for this question will be like, so S3 transfer acceleration is a feature in Amazon S3 that speeds up the long distance file transfer to and from your S3 bucket using so by routing the data through the Amazon CloudFront globally distributed edge locations. Okay, and optimizing network path and using the network protocols optimization. So what do you mean by this one is that, first of all, we'll try to understand, so what is transfer acceleration. Okay, for example, you have your S3 bucket over here, right? You have S3 bucket over here. Okay, so S3 bucket. Okay, so this S3 bucket is been located in Mumbai region, which is Indian region. Okay, so Mumbai, which is Indian region, right? So is in India, for example, so you have your client application, that is located in US region. Okay, okay, so if you want to do, so for example, if you want to upload any files on S3 bucket, to your so from and to the US region, right? So if you want to upload some files from US region to S3 packet which is available in Mumbai region, so then what is, so the it will take a lot of time because it both are in the different region, right? So for that, what we can do is, so we are using the edge locations of, so we're using Amazon edge location, which is a cloud front. Okay, we're using a CloudFront feature. Okay, so whereas the object will be uploaded into the CloudFront first, then no, so then it will be uploaded into the Mumbai region. Okay, so this is how the this is how the acceleration will work. Okay, so what is acceleration? It helps you to speed up the upload. Okay, so S3 transfer acceleration is the feature in Amazon is that speeds up the long distance file transfer to and from your S3 bucket. Okay, here you can see to and from. Okay, so if you wanted to get and get the object and from there to, so to upload the object, so to and from your S3 bucket by routing the data through the Amazon CloudFront globally distributed edge locations. Okay, so is using the edge locations, so this is kind of a CloudFront edge location. So as you know, what is edge locations, right? Edge location is nothing but the small data centers of the AWS that can be used for the caching purpose, so which is a Syrian service that can be used in AWS, right? So if you wanted to if you want to utilize this acceleration, if you wanted to upload your files faster in in some different regions, you have to use transfer accelerator. So how to enable this particular feature? Okay, let's go for here. So is the AWS S3 console. Let's go for S3 and general purpose. We have 4 buckets. Okay, so now I'm going to click on any of the buckets. So if you can go for properties, click on properties, and the properties is going to be um, the transfer acceleration. So here is the place where it is the transfer acceleration is there. Okay, click on edit. Okay, and you can enable it. Okay, so this if you enable the transfer acceleration, it will be costly. Okay, so if you really need, so it for the real-time purpose, then you have to enable it. Otherwise, please disable it. Okay, so if you're, so there are many companies, because this particular thing, if it is, it'll accelerate and it'll speed up your uploading and downloading process of this bucket. So if you really need this particular feature, then you have to enable it. Otherwise it'll be costly, and so it charge you more for your account. Okay, so please be careful about this one. Okay, so for now I'm showing you how to what is transfer acceleration and when and where to use. Okay, I'm not going to enable it, but so this is how you can be enable it. Okay, so hope you understand this particular video. So if you like to prepare more interview videos like this, please be stay tuned with our channel. And if you like this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe to our friends, to your friends. So if any of your friends are looking for any kind of cloud computing training, or if they're looking for interviews, or we are happy to accommodate you for the mock interviews, and we are ready to take you the course. and we can do all this stuff, right? So that's it about this video, guys, and please stay tuned for the rest of the videos in the future.